Look at him. Oh, they ran into each other. Look at him. Look at him. He ate the spit. Now he's spitting it back. Nope, that one got it. Uh-oh. I think they're about to catch on to us, buddy. They caught us. They caught on to us.
Did you like that, Brody?
They knew it wasn't real food.
Don't do that when you're older, though. Okay. It's not very polite. Daddy's not teaching you very good manners.
Here we go, buddy. Here's a bunch of them over here. Did you see him? Look at him. Oh, they missed it.